Hi guys! Kumusta? So for today's video, let's unbox Daddy's Valentine's gift to me. So after na ako pagligo guys, I saw this paper bag sa bed. And RR said, Mami, it's for you from Daddy. So my Valentine's gift daw. So here it is guys! Ta-da! So let's see guys what's inside. There's two items actually. So, first one is... ta-da! Apple pencil dyan too! Siyempre guys, pag may pencil, may papel. So, Paris guys is here. iPad Pro 4th Gen. Yay! And, may pakapin pa ganun si Daddy. The case guys! And, the tempered glass. Diba? Perfect! So, let's unbox, guys. Wow, guys. Look. Wow. ASMR. Look guys, space gray. Very nice. And cord now, which is USB. USB-C. Wow. Oh guys, there's a detail. Look. Team Baluran. That's us. Now let's do the pencil. Oh, diba? ASMR. Ang papel na dili basahon. Wow. Look guys. The detail. Basa. Malura. Di mawaya, guys. Di siya mawa. Before na to i-on, guys, ato sa gid siya butangan o screen. Aron, di ta magmahay. Aron, di ta magmahay. Nga. Ako ay. Oh. The screen and for camera guys, look. Duha di ay siya. So the screen protector is on. Let's put now the case. So we can turn it on. Now let's turn it on. Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. So guys, later na ako sadya i-set up and everything. Okay, I have to do something. And that's all guys. So here's the new iPad Pro. So Apple Pencil can be on this side and there's also a slot in here. So press save. That's all guys. Happy Valentine's Day. God bless everyone. Maayong lawas kanunay.